Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm showing you how to transfer XRP from Kraken to your Ledger Flex, a sleek, secure hardware wallet for keeping your crypto safe. It's a straightforward process, and I'll give you every step. First, make sure to get your Ledger Flex ready. Open the Ledger Live app on your phone or computer. Download it from ledger.com if you haven't yet. Connect your Ledger Flex via Bluetooth or USB. Set it up with a pin, and jot down your recovery phrase. Keep that safe and offline. In Ledger Live, go to My Ledger, install the XRP app, and then add XRP account under Accounts. Click Receive to get your XRP address. Copy it. Next, hop over to Kraken. Open the Kraken app or go to kraken.com and sign in with your credentials. Head to the Funding tab. It's where all your deposit and withdrawal options live. Find XRP in your wallets list and make sure you've got enough to transfer, factoring in the 10 XRP reserve for new addresses on the ledger. After that, click on Withdraw next to XRP. If you haven't added your Ledger Flex address yet, hit Add Withdrawal Address, paste the XRP address you copied from Ledger Live into the address field, label it something like Ledger Flex for clarity. Kraken might ask for a destination tag, since Ledger doesn't require one for personal wallets. Leave it blank or use 0. Save the address, then select it for withdrawal. After that, guys, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Kraken's minimum is usually 50 XRP, and the fee is tiny, like 0.02 XRP. Double check your Ledger address matches exactly. Crypto doesn't forgive mistakes. Hit Review Withdrawal, enter your two-factor authentication code or any verification Kraken asks for, and confirm. You'll get an email to finalize. Click that link quick. Back in Ledger Live, give it a minute. XRP moves fast, so your balance should update soon. Open XRP app on your Ledger Flex to confirm it's there too. First time to this address, you'll see the 10 XRP locked as a reserve. That's normal for XRP Ledger. If it's not showing, check Kraken's withdrawal status on XRP scan with your address. That's it, your XRP is now secure on your Ledger Flex. Always triple check addresses and start with a small test if you're new to this. Got it working? Drop your experience in the comments, like and subscribe for more crypto how-tos. See you next time.